Hello everyone, I am Nagavelli Prasad working in TS Dabda Center of Excellence, Karimnagar. In this session, I am going to explain you the part of peripheral nervous system which is cranial nerves. My dear students, the nerves which are associated with the brain known as cranial nerves, these nerves emerge from the brain which can exit from the brain or which can enter into the brain. So they have given with a unique number and they are having unique name and which are denoted with Roman numericals from 1 to 12 and they have a particular name and they have a particular function. My dear students, among these 12 cranial nerves, 12 pairs of cranial nerves in human beings, each and every nerve has a unique function. So based on that, they are categorized into 3 types. Some act as sensory nerves, some act as motor nerves, and some are act as mixed nerves. Among these 12, 1 and 2 and 8, these 3 nerves act as sensory. For your convenience, I am giving in English digits. Actually, we should not mention in English digits. We have to denote with Roman numericals only. So here sensory, as per 1 to 8, among 12, 1 to 8 act as sensory nerves, 5, 7, 9, 10 act as mixed nerves, 3, 4, 6, 11, 12 act as motor nerves. My dear students, sensory nerves originates from the sensory organs or receptors and terminates at the particular part of the brain, right? And motor nerves originate from the brain and terminates at visceral organs or muscles, effector organs. And mixed nerves may act as sensory and motor as well. And they may have the 2 branches, one branch act as sensory, one branch act as motor also. Let us discuss these 12 pairs of cranial nerves in human body. Right. First and foremost, the first cranial nerve is olfactory. As I told you, it is a sensory nerve. So its function is detection of smell, which is originated from nasal epithelium and terminates at temporal lobe of the cerebrum. And the second nerve is optic nerve, whose function is vision, which arises from retina and which terminates at occipital lobe of cerebrum. And third one, oculomotor. This is the motor nerve, so that which starts from the brain, floor of the midbrain, whose main function is eye movement. So floor of the midbrain, it originates and which ends at or terminates at eye muscles to move. And the fourth one, trochlea, this is also motor, so which is helping in the vertical eye movement, which originates from floor of the midbrain and ends at which helps in the movement of superior oblique eye muscles. And the fifth one is a trigeminal, which is having 2 branches: facial sensation, sensory action, facial expression, motor one. So pons viral, which originates from the pons viruli of the brain and ends at face muscles and salivary glands. And the abducens, the 6th one, lateral movement of eyeball, which originates from the pons and ends at lateral rectus of eye. And the facial, the 7th one, which is a mixed nerve, so which is having the sensory and motor also. Sensory to detect the smell, motor is facial expression, which is also originates from the pons and ends at facial muscles. And the 8th one, auditory, which is a sensory, right, auditory muscle. So hearing and balance. Auditory nerve has 2 branches, vestibulocochlear nerve we can call. Vestibule maintains the balance and cochlea helping in the hearing. So it is ends at pons and medulla, junction of pons and medulla. And glossopharyngeal, which is the 9th one, so that it is a mixed nerve. Sensory will be, motor will be sensory to detect the smell, and motor is swallowing. So originates from medulla and ends at pharynx and salivary glands. And vagus nerve, which is the longest nerve in our body, which is having the two natures, so sensory, so that mixed. Okay, 10th one, mixed. So sensory, throat and visceral muscles, motor, vocal cords and peristalsis. So which arise from the medulla, which control the muscles of lungs and heart and digestive tract like the esophagus, stomach and intestine, etc. And 11th one is accessory, so which helps in the head shoulder movement. So originate from medulla, ends at pharynx, larynx and neck and shoulder, which helps in the movement of neck and shoulder. And 12th one is hypoglossal, which helps in the tongue movement, which is originated from the medulla and ends at tongue to move it. So these are the 12 pairs of cranial nerves found in human body, which are in a different nature, like some are sensory, some are mixed, some are motor. Which nerve is called as dentist nerve?